Get in, crafter, we're going shopping. And we made it home. Let's get into this. So what we're gonna do with the lights is we're gonna convert them from street lamps into hanging lamps, like this one here in this build. I'm also gonna show you how to make wall lights, just like this. Okay, so here's the lamps. We're gonna unpackage it, unravel the wire, and then we're gonna pull it apart. Be careful with this. It should come out pretty easily. It's just a little dab of glue. Make sure you don't pull the wires from the LED itself. So now we're going to take the wire and we're going to form it to the side of the lamp head, just like that. And then we're going to take some Gorilla Glue, which you're not going to put in your hair, but you're going to put along the edge of the lamp. Try and keep it on the black area. That's where we're going to run the wire so that we can paint it later. Now your fingers are going to get stuck, so bear with me and just kind of massage it into place. And again, if you're like me and you don't like having things stuck to your hand, you are SOL, my friend. Okay, so with some coercion, we got it in place. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pull the long tube off. So we're going to take that away from the wires. And you're just going to cut this to length. So however long you want to hang down. That's where we're going to snip. Okay. So we're going to grab that. We're going to feed that back through. And they are small, but it's a lot easier to see in person. If not, you can grab a magnifying glass or helping hands and thread that through. So essentially we're just going to attach it to the little top bead on the lamp head. So we're going to take more Gorilla Glue and we are going to put it on the head, but of a lamp. Again, not your hair. So here we are, we're just lining that up. The wire is going to bend a little bit where it's meeting. That's fine, you just want it to look as flush as possible. And now we're going to thread the bottom piece on. And we're going to dab a little bit more of that super glue there. Okay, we're going to connect that. That's what we want to be. So now I'm going to take some Dead Black by War Paint. It could be any black paint though. And a very fine brush, and I'm just painting along those wires so that we blend that in and so it matches the black plastic. And at this point you could really paint whatever color you want. I am painting it this copper color, and I'm going to show you how to distress the copper here in a minute. But all you want to do, cover it as best you can. You don't have to be too super thorough with this, but just cover it with some paint. Again, you can do any color you want, but I'm going to show you how to do copper. And then we're going to take this turquoise paint, a little bit there. Cool. Then we're going to take a green. What we're going to do is we're going to mix those together, and that's going to give us our patina color. And we're just brushing that on. Okay, you can be as daring as you want with it. It is your imagination. I like to still have a little bit of the copper show through. But yeah, I'm just dabbing it on there, and that's pretty much it. I also add a little more of the green here and there for the oxidized copper. All right, now I'm showing you how to make the wall lamp. So this lamp is still intact. I'm just bending it with my hands. It's really easy. This stuff is super flexible. And then I'm taking a soldering iron on a low heat and just gently melting it to help me along the way so it doesn't snap the plastic. Okay. And yeah, so you just add that little end cap piece again. You're gonna snip the excess tube, and that's it. You're done. You're ready to wire them up.
Thanks for watching, guys and gals. That's the end of this video. If you liked it, give it a like, comment on it, subscribe, let me know how I'm doing. The audio is a little bad on this one. Sorry about that. My microphone went. So working on getting that fixed. If you would like a video on how to wire up the LEDs, or how I do it at least, let me know and I will put that together. All right.